Introducing the 1024 Challenge. This is a month-long challenge where you're tasked to create a character model that's 1024 triangles or less and has just one 1024 by 1024 resolution texture. This is a great way to level up your own character modeling skills and get involved in our amazing community of 3D artists on Discord. I'll have an invite link to that Discord below this video. Now, if you don't know how to make low poly character models, I have a tutorial series right here that covers that entire process in depth that I'll link below this video. But if you want to make 3D fan art of that character you're totally obsessed with, the VTuber model of your dreams, or your video game's next protagonist, now is the perfect time to dive in, learn, and make something cool. This contest ends on April 30th at 5 p.m. Central Time. We're going to review all your submissions live right here in Crash Landing Academy. Then I'm going to highlight the top 5 to 10 entries in a dedicated Crash Landing Academy YouTube video. You can submit your work either on Twitter or Blue Sky using the 1024 Challenge hashtag, or you can even submit it through our Discord server, which will be linked below this video. Third place and second place will get a $25 Steam gift card along with my low poly character modeling course, and first place will get my low poly character modeling course as well as a $50 Steam gift card. And while I'm not going to be hand counting each polygon in these submissions, it's important to lay down some ground rules in order to keep things fair. So without further ado, here are those rules. Number 1, your character model must be submitted before April 30th at 5 p.m. Central Time, and you must have started this character model project after April 1st. Number 2, your character model must be 1024 triangles or less and have just one 1024 by 1024 texture for all of its body, face, and props. I'm willing to be a little bit lenient on the face texture, so if you want to add another texture sheet just for your character's face, I'm fine with that. But again, keep it under 1024 by 1024 pixels. And finally, fan art is okay and even encouraged if that's what you want to do. However, make sure to give your character a twist. Don't just copy someone else's turnaround drawing. Try to make this your own. Try to put your own spin on it and make it uniquely your own. But that about covers it. If you get stuck at all during this entire process, make sure to join our public Discord server, which I'm going to link down below because we have a really amazing community of 3D artists over there. And if you want a very in-depth step-by-step breakdown on how to make your own turnaround drawings, that is covered in my low poly course, which is on sale right now for a very limited time. I'll link that in the description below if you're interested. I am so excited to see all your 3D model submissions through this contest. So good luck, have fun, remember to join that Discord if you ever get stuck, and I'll see you in the next video.